Okay, before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside. This is the water inlet hole, water outlet hole, and the air outlet hole. And if we need to inject water, we have to inject this cup and tube to the water inlet hole first. Before injecting this hole, we have to press this silver button and make sure this tip is up. Then press. You'll hear the sound. And when you want to remove this tube, just press the silver button again and then pull out. It's okay. Okay, now we insert again. And for another spare part, we have to inject to the air outlet hole. The same operation, press first and then insert. Okay, now after installing all these tubes, we just inject the water. And when the water is full inside, it will come out from the air outlet hole, okay? When you don't need to use this machine anymore, we have to release the water inside. We just need to use this spare part and insert to the water outlet hole. Then water will come out. Okay, next step, we will install the working handle. Now you will see that this working handle, we must find these two holes and make sure these two holes is up. Okay? And before installation, we need to press these two gray button, 1 and 2. Press it. Okay? Press it and then make sure these two tips is up. Then we will match the hole and then insert. You will hear the sound. It is finished. And when you want to remove this working handle, also press these two gray button, okay? Press the button and then pull out. It's okay. Okay, now we will start the machine. First step, we have to turn on this key, and this is the emergency button. We should turn and then pull out, okay? 2 steps for the emergency button. Turn and then pull. Then the machine will be started. And you can find that this is male and this is female. Now we choose animal. And here is the skin color option. You can choose according to your client's situation, okay? And this is the treatment area. Place on, and you can choose by yourself. Then next step. And here you will see there are many specifications for adjustment. This is the power. You can increase and decrease by yourself. And this is the pause time. And also you can adjust by yourself. And this is the frequency of adjustment. And here it shows the water flow, water temperature. Okay? And here is the water flow speed. This is shows for the total shots. And here is the reset button. Okay? When you turn this button, this will become 0. And here is the freezing level of adjustment. You can choose by yourself. Okay? After setting, just press start button. Okay, after setting the specification on the screen, now we start the treatment. And before starting it, we should use the gel to put on the treatment area. Okay. But before doing this treatment, we have to remove the hair first. Okay, remove the hair first, and then use the gel on the treatment part. And this is the control button for this should move slowly